Today I'll be talking about something which is very important in the present scenario, in the times where online work is far, far more than what we think was earlier just an office work. So the present problem is dry eyes, also known as technically computer vision syndrome. Just because of excessive usage of screens, people are facing a lot of problems which include burning sensation in the eyes, frequent blinking, if you feel fatigue by the end of the day. So all these problems are avoidable, and the reasons or the solutions are very, very simple, and which we call it as just lifestyle modifications. So there are 5 tips which we will be discussing. Amongst them, the foremost important is correct posture. I see a lot of patients, working on the beds. They have their work from home tendencies and sitting on the beds. Incorrect posture causes a lot of problems. Not only strain on the back, but also it causes, you know, infrequent blinking of the eyes, leading to dryness. So the second important thing which is important is correct distance. The distance between the screen and you should be that you should be able to do a high five, that is a one arm distance, so that you can see at a proper distance, and the screen should be slightly below. The top of the screen should be at the level of your eyes, so that you are slightly looking down. This reduces the aperture exposure and also causes frequent blinking. Third, the most commonly applied is the 20-20-20 rule, which we say that after every 20 minutes of continuous work, take a break for 20 seconds and try to look at something 20 feet apart, like just try to look out of the window. What this causes is that it reduces the strain on the muscles. As human beings, we are meant to see for distance. So when we are looking closer things, our muscles are working for long hours. They get a fatigue. So to reduce that, we say look at a distance, our muscles relax, and we blink more blinking means less of evaporation and better visibility and better comfort of the eyes. Fourth, which many of us are culprits, is using phones in the night. The lights are switched off and we all have a tendency to look at the phone, go through the WhatsApp, which is very, very, very bad, because there is one hormone in our body known as melatonin, which regulates our circadian rhythm or the biological clock. So if you are exposed too much to the light before going to sleep, your sleep cycle disturbs, and what happens is people wake up even after sleeping for 6 to 8 hours. They are not fresh, they feel tired. The reason is simple, that our body does not take light very well just before going to sleep. So you have to be very particular that at least 30 minutes before going to bed there should be no phone light used. Last, if nothing works, over the counter lubricating eye drops, they are easily available. You can use those. One of those commonly used is Osmo drops, or other drops are also available, so use them. They are easily available, and the benefit is that they lubricate our surface. They have minimal of side effects. If you are using it for less than 4 times a day, you can use any drop available, but if the usage increases, then prefer preservative free eye drops. And if nothing works at all, then definitely you should visit your eye specialist to look out for other causes. We cannot rule out without looking. So it is very important that if these simple measures don't help you, doctor consult is mandatory. This is Dr. Aditya Sharma from Aman Shakti Eye and Gynae Clinic, Sector 7, Chandigarh. Thank you.